everyone, my name is Rachna and today we are going to make lemon or lime pickle. It's a very easy recipe and very easy to make, and this pickle can stay for more than 2 years. This is actually my mother-in-law's recipe, which I'm sharing with you, all of you, and it is really easy to make. It takes not more than half an hour to make it. If you have even things are ready, you can make even 20 minutes. So it depends, how much you want to make. So to make the pickle, we just make sure that you wash these limes thoroughly in the water and then keep aside to dry them out. And you can use paper towel to dry them, but make sure they are completely dry. And then you cut the top and bottom. Take off the top and bottom. And so here I took almost 14 limes are there, so it is around 1 kg, so 2 lb, more than 2 lb limes. And then you can use lemon also if you like, but you can make this with lime too. And then I have 100 grams of garam masala. So this one, it's 3.5 ounce of garam masala. And the salt is just double of garam masala, so it's 200 grams of salt, so it can be 7 ounce of salt. So what we are going to do is we are going to first cut the limes in pieces. So I'll show you how to cut them. Okay, so cut them like this, in the middle, and they have to be connected at the bottom. So like, see, this much. This is how you cut it. They are all connected from the bottom, but because we are going to fill all this garam masala and salt in these in between. So cut all of them, don't separate them, okay? Make sure you cut in 4 pieces like this, and they are connected from the bottom, all of them, okay, connected from the bottom. So mix them, both of them together. And if you have a black salt like this one, you put 1 tablespoon of that too, because that gives some flavor to it. But if you don't have that, it's not needed. So mix salt and garam masala all together like this. So this is how you are going to fill it, one by one, like this. So this is how it looks filled. You're going to fill like this. See, my mother-in-law is filling this here. This is how they should be filled completely. Like, make sure they are filled with the garam masala and salt mixture completely. And now take one glass container and put them in. Make sure you have a clean glass container, washed and dry. completely. You can use plastic one too, but I prefer to go with the glass container. Glass container. If you have a little bit left over this, mixture, then you put this garam masala and salt before putting these lime to it. Okay, so just pour little this masala into it, and now we will start putting all the all these limes to it. See, my mother-in-law is putting all the limes one by one. Just fill it like this. So this is how you fill the pickle inside the container. See, you filled it. Remaining leftover little bit masala, you can just pour it on the top of that. And you just need to keep it for 2 months. You cannot eat it actually. You need to wait for between 2 to 3 months to start eating this pickle. But it can stay for maybe year, 2 year. It depends on you how you keep it clean. So see, we made this one year back, and see, this is how it looks. This become yellow by itself. The green limes became yellow now, and this is how this pickle looks like. We started eating. We made 2 container of this glass, and we already finished one, and this is the another one, and this is 1 year old. Looks so good, so yummy. This is how it looks from inside. So guys, try this. This is so easy recipe from my mother-in-law, and this is really good pickle, very healthy. Nothing you have to put, no oil, just the garam masala and salt. That's all you need to make this lime pickle, or lemon. You can use lemon, as I told you earlier. Use lemon or lime. Both, same amount of garam masala and salt you will need. By tomorrow morning, you will see this drops. By just put the lid on it and put it outside, and tomorrow morning it will be settled down. You need to keep this outside. Don't keep it anywhere inside the fridge or anywhere. Just keep it outside in the just room temperature somewhere. That's all you need. Don't not too much cold place also. Just keep it in your inside your kitchen somewhere, but it should be left outside. So this is how it looks like after 2 days. The green started turning yellow, and put it near the window so it can get some sunlight to it. Sunlight help it to make it, the pickle faster. So please try and put your comments below and let me know how it came out for you, and if you have any question I can answer. But this is very simple recipe to make the nice pickle which can be kept for long time. No need to put in freezer or anywhere. Just put near the window for maybe a month will be enough, and after that just keep it inside the house, in the kitchen, room temperature only. Alright, thank you for watching, and please put your comments below. Let me know how do you like it. Thank you.